Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how to off screen locking sound in geophone next guys. How can you off screen locking sound in geophone next? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friends, first of all open your setting app. After that guys, click on sound, and guys now you can see advanced. So guys, when you will on touch it, so guys, you after you can see guys screen locking sound, you want to also guys then off sound, advance, and guys off. So I think friends you have understood how to off screen locking sound in geophone next. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video friends. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.